Have you ever walked into your home after a stressful day and within minutes the mood of your whole house changes and disturbs the family harmony? You didn't plan it, you didn't mean it, but somehow your stress spreads like an invisible smoke. That's nothing but stress spillover. Welcome to Inner Quest Healing Talks, conversations for stress to bliss. I'm your host, Ravindra Murthy. In today's episode, we will explore a powerful transition from stress spillover from work to family peace. We will uncover why stress travels home with us and how a few mindful habits can help us keep our family life calm, connected, and full of warmth. Let's look at this problem, stress spillover. The work from home culture, which became a norm during COVID days, are fading off, and many companies want employees back in office. When you carry work frustration, deadlines, or any kind of exhaustion into your personal space, it doesn't disappear, rather, it transforms. It becomes an irritation, impatience, or even sometimes silence. You might find yourself snapping at your spouse or people at home, ignoring your kids, or simply zoning out in your space. Just imagine this. You had a tough day at work, the client meeting didn't go well, and there were some unresolved problems at work. You are expected to come back to the client with some resolution to those problems after you reach home. Adding to this frustration, traffic was bad. Now you park your vehicle, walk into the home thinking about the office problems, and your spouse says dinner is not yet ready, or the cable TV is not working, call the customer care, or even sometimes it could be a complaint that your kid did this in the school. Suddenly you react sharply, not because of dinner or television issue, because you carried the stress to your home. If unchecked, this can become a pattern and you can slowly damage emotional closeness at home. The turbulence with family members could also lead to communication breaks, and the house very soon becomes a war room, even in silence. But the real question is, can we stop this? Just think it out. Yes, the answer is yes. And it begins with your awareness. You need to become aware of the boundary between office and home. To solve this problem, you can try the below strategies. Pause before entering home. Before stepping into your home, take 3 conscious deep breaths. Feel the stress leaving your body, and you can also say to yourself, I am now at home, work can wait. And this 30-second ritual creates a mental boundary between the outside world and your inner world. Another strategy is striking with some mindful communication. When you feel low or irritated, share your feelings with your family members calmly instead of reacting. For instance, instead of saying, don't talk to me, I'm tired, try saying, I had a rough day, can we talk after a few minutes? And this single statement can change and keep peace alive while honoring your emotions that you're going through. Another tip, you can also request your spouse or people at home to talk to you after few minutes so that their statements do not trigger your emotions. You can also create some micro family rituals to convert stress to bliss. For instance, have a coffee or tea together to strike some useful conversations, and of course without screens. Go for a small walk, listen to some music, share something good that happened in the day, and feel grateful for the day spent before you hit the bed. These small moments will help to strengthen the family bonds and ease tension at home. Remember, when you regulate your energy, your home reflects that peace back to you. Alright, tonight when you reach home, try the pause at the door ritual. Take 3 deep breaths, put a smile on your face, and step in with calm energy. Notice how your family responds and make it a habit. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who might need a reminder to protect their peace and balance between work and life. This is your host, Ravindra Murthy. Thank you for joining me today. Take a breath, take it slow, and remember, bliss begins within.